Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the fundamentals of Git and work through some essential Git commands. Additionally, we will guide you through the process of creating your GitHub account. GitHub account is such an essential platform for collaborating, codings, and also a most essential platform for project management. So it's very essential to have your own GitHub account. Let's get started. So in today's video, firstly we are going to have a quick look through these of the Git commands firstly. One of the most important is Git version, then Git help, Git config, Git init, clone, add, status, rm, restore, comment, log, show, push, pull, and branch. We'll have a clear view of each and every function and have a clearer concept in the upcoming videos. So in today's video, we'll have a look through the basic commands of Git. Let's dive into the world of Git and explore how each of these commands work. So the very first command that we are going to see today is Git version. Git version, Git version. Using this, we can see the version of Git that has been installed in our system. Leaving this, we can also use Git hyphen hyphen version. Both of them have exact same purpose. It depends upon the user which one they prefer to use, whether it's Git version or Git hyphen hyphen version. The next most essential command that I would say is Git help, HELP, Git help. Using this, we can check the function of each and every command. For example, if we are taking clone, we can check the work of clone, that is, clone a repository into a new directory. Or you can check even init, add, we restore. Means using this help command, we can check the function of each and every command that is used in Git bash. Similarly, there was another command, git help init. Using this command, what we can do is this will show us how we can uh, what are the synopsis of this init command, and it will show us a manual page of this init command. We can get a synopsis, description, option, many things using this. And similarly, we can check each and every command using this features, git help, pull, git help branch, git help push. We can use any of them. That depends upon us which one we want to see. So one thing we need to keep in mind is while we are typing git help in it, the page will open in our browser, not in this command system. It will open in our browser, and we need to check those things in our browser only. So the next thing is git. If you're typing this help in caps, uh, let's see what will happen first. So this is throwing an error. This will throw an error because Git is a case sensitive platform. Here we cannot mix between upper caps and the lower caps. We have to be very precise about which caps we are using. So where upper caps is required, we need to use upper caps. Where lower caps is required, we need to use the lower caps. We cannot just mingle between those two things. We have to be very precise about using these caps. The another important comment which we can use while we want to clear the entire page is clear, clear. Using this command, we can clear the entire page. So these are the few most important basic Git commands. And now let us check how we can create a personalized GitHub account. So basically we need our own GitHub account for project management or even working in a collaborative environment, because while we are developing as a developers, we need to work with various environmental facilities. We need to work with various other developers. All of them will have their own separate codes, and those separate codes will be merged in a single remote repository. So we need to know how we have to work with those things, and those remote repositories will be only available in GitHub or any such kind of Git servers, right? So now we will be diving towards the creation of our GitHub account. Firstly, in the browser that is present in your system, you need to type in the search bar GitHub login. After typing GitHub login, you have to click in sign into GitHub. There, if you are having your pre-existing username, email address or password, you can type it there and then click on sign in. If you are not having any GitHub account, then click on create an account. After clicking on create an account, you need to first type your email ID which you are not registered with GitHub. It has to be a fresh email ID. It should not be registered with GitHub previously. After typing your email ID, it will automatically come to you or have to type here like create a password. Create your own password here, and the password should be at least of 15 characters or at least of 8 characters. The guidelines will be there. Then create your own username here. After creating your own username, it will come to us that you have to verify your account. While verifying your account, there will be few puzzles given, like one or two or three. You have to solve that puzzle. After solving that puzzle, you have to click on submit. If you have incorrectly solved that puzzle, it will again come as try again. You have to again try solving that puzzle. It will be completely different for everyone. You have to solve that puzzle in your own way. After solving that puzzle, to click on create account. After clicking on create an account, it will come to you that you have to enter a code that will be sent to you in your email ID. You need to open your email ID. You need to go in your GitHub. The mail will come. The mail will come automatically from GitHub. You need to copy that. You need to paste that exact ID in enter code. Then click on continue. Then you have to select like how many people you are working with, what you are a student or teacher, according to that, and then again click on continue. You may even skip personalization as you want. After that, this page will appear to you. Then click in your profile, or you can edit things you want. Then click on your repository. After clicking on your repository, here you can create a complete new repository of your. Click on new. Then in the repository name, you need to give your repository name that is not available previously. Give a complete new repository name. You can set it public or private as you want. Then click on create repository. This is how you can create your own repository and work things here. We will see in the upcoming videos how we need to work in repository, how we do works in repositories and all. That's all for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And for more information on Git and GitHub, please check the next video in this channel. Thank you.